Hi everyone. Today we're going to look at Sketchfab. Sketchfab.com is a good place for you to display your work, especially your 3D scenes and models. So as you can see here, this is a Blender model that I have bought it. I got it in Sketchfab, and then you can, once it is here, you can share it or embed it in your website so people can have a look at your work in 3D. How it is done is extremely simple. If you go to Sketchfab, you have to create an account, and you can even create an account using Facebook. Once the account is created, you just have to click on Upload tab, and you can see here it accepts FBX, OBJ, Blender, STL, and other files. Okay, so if you're creating anything in Blender, it is very straightforward. You just click here, go to your Blender file. So in my case here, I have a Blender folder and there's a car, and I simply select the Blender file and open it, and then you got to name your file and add some description, add some tags. You have to mention what category it is in. So this is a car, so it will be cars and vehicles, and then you need to tag it so people can search for your model. And once you're done, you can just simply continue, and the model will come in your Sketchfab website. You simply have to click on publish. Okay, that's it. Now when I did my 3ds model, this is my 3ds model. When I created this tutorial, I did not use any materials. Okay, the materials were not there. So when I imported, what I had to do is I had to export. First of all, I had to go to file and export, and I export it as FBX file. There you can see it is a jeep.fbx. But if you export it without the materials, then it will be all gray. So you will have to add materials. So you can see here, if you had followed my tutorial on how to create a Jeep in 3ds Max, and you want to upload this project onto Sketchfab, then you will have to create these different materials and just assign those different materials to different objects. So you just have to select the object, right click on the material and assign the material, and I have created standard material. So you just drag a material, double click on the material, add any color to your material, and select the object and right click and assign material to selection. Okay, so once you do that, you save your file, export it as FBX file, and I will disregard this. I'll click on upload again, and I will go to my 3ds folder and then select the FBX file, and then again you have to write description and select the category, and give some tags, continue, and the model comes in with colors. Okay, so this is an amazing way to display your work. So if you have a creative website, you can simply um, once you publish it, you can embed your link. So if I go to my models, I need to go to my product. So you can see it here. This is the Jeep, and then you can click on the embed code, so you can get this code and then place it in your website. Okay, so you also have the option to share it on various social networking platforms. That way you can create your amazing work and share it with people, and it really looks nice and clean. So have a look at Sketchfab, and whenever you create my tutorials, you go on Sketchfab and upload them and share it on the Facebook page. My Facebook page is 3D modeling and animation course. Okay, so 3D modeling and animation course is my Facebook page, and there you can see that I uploaded shared two of my models. They're not visible on Facebook, but you can simply click on it and then it will link it to the Sketchfab website, and then people will be able to see your model there. Okay, so hoping to see all your models on Sketchfab. So I can also look at your models and then uh, grade you for your work. That would be an easy way to look at your work rather than receiving your files. You can share your work on Sketchfab, especially for the models. Okay, thank you.